Namaskar. Welcome to this session of Straight Drive Panorama. I'm Sudhanshu Mani. Friends, we have been talking about fine arts, photography, and other finer things of life in Panorama, science, Nobel dreams of India, and so on. But today I thought we should talk of something absolutely crucial for all of us, and that is the vaccination which is about to take place for coronavirus. So I have invited Dr. Rajiv Srivastav, whom you have met earlier in this program, when he explained to us about the types of viruses and bacteria. We also delved a little on vaccination, but it was quite a distant dream at that time, whereas it's almost a reality now. Vaccination has started in some countries, for example in UK. In USA, you would have seen on TV vaccination being given to Joe Biden. Now it's time for India, and we will try to understand when it's going to start, what does it mean for us, and so on. Welcome, Dr. Srivastav.
Thank you, Mr. Mani.
Now, my first question. A little bit about vaccine first. We have talked about it earlier.
We have talked about this, about vaccines, what are vaccines in this forum previously. But in a very short, I want to tell about vaccines. We vaccinate a person to create antibodies in the person to protect the fellow from particular disease. For this we use 3-4 methods usually. First, that we give a live attenuated pathogen. Pathogen may be bacteria or virus. In this case it is virus. Live attenuated means half killed. It cannot cause disease, but it would alarm the body as the enemy has come, and they produce antibodies. The next thing, we don't give whole half killed virus, but only a portion of virus or pathogen is given to the body. This is the second type of vaccine. A third vaccine is a combination of other virus, not coronavirus, other virus. Usually we take adenovirus, and a combination somehow mimics like coronavirus to the body. We trick the body, so body thinks that attack of corona is there, and it creates antibodies for his or her protection. And the fourth type is a very new type of vaccine which USA is developing, or developed perhaps, and that is RNA vaccine, particularly messenger RNA vaccine. Previously it was the trial was given only on animals, but this time human trial was done, and it is such that is successful. The only problem with this vaccine is that the cold chain has to be kept at minus 70 degrees Celsius. So it is difficult, and it is costly. So we are going to use live attenuated vaccine with the collaboration of Oxford and the Serum Institute of India. It is expected in the first week of February, I think, as our health minister has said. And initially we plan to 25 to 30 crores people to get this immunization from February to August. This is the present scenario.
Okay, so let me try to understand it. One is, of course, this Oxford vaccine.
Yes.
I understand the indigenous vaccine, Bharat Biotech.
Bharat Biotech, yes.
That also would be available maybe sometime.
Maybe some 2-3 months.
Okay.
Yes.
And third is the Sputnik Russian vaccine, which Dr. Reddy's.
Yes.
That should, I understand, should also be available around March or April.
Yes.
But we will start first with the Oxford vaccine.
Oxford vaccine.
So, let's say, what is the methodology that the government is going to adopt for administering the vaccine in terms of the camps that would be set up, the vaccination staff, and so on. Can you tell us about the infrastructure that would be required?
Yes. This vaccine would be given intramuscularly and 2 times. 0 day is the first day and after 21 days. And the setup is like this, that there will be a camp. One person outside the camp is a security person.
Okay.
Maybe home guard, maybe
Okay.
police, maybe private security person. The next room is data collection room, means that ID card, name, putting in the computer. 2% would be there. In the next chamber, 3 persons. The next 2 persons are paramedics. The next chamber would be the chamber where vaccination would be done intramuscularly. But because very rarely, though it is very rare, but adverse reaction occurs, and sometimes adverse reactions may be serious. Not only in this vaccine, in every vaccine. So it is quite possible, because we are going to use it first time, we are more alert. The next chamber is a chamber where vaccinated person will wait for 30 minutes. And if any adverse reaction, usually adverse reaction is very mild, but if serious reaction occurs, then the treatment is available. And after half an hour waiting, he or she may go to home.
All right. So let me do a simple calculation here. So one camp, I would think that the vaccination process would be about 4 minutes. Entry to
4 to 5 minutes.
And entry to waiting time, and waiting time being half an hour. After first half an hour, entry would match the exit. So we should be able to do about, if we work for 10 to 12 hours, roughly 15 persons in one camp. So let me take this calculation forward. If you have to vaccinate 30 crore people and everyone has to be given 2 doses, so that's almost like 60 crore people. And if we count 600 districts approximately in the country, my quick calculation shows that at the rate of 15 people per camp, in the period February to August, which is roughly, let's say, 200 days, you will need almost 40 to 50 camps per district, based on 80% efficiency, because it's not going to be 100% efficiency sticking to the time schedule. So that's quite a tall order, because it is not only setting up about 50 camps in every district, you will need that type of vaccination staff also. So, and of course, also required would be a level of production to match the scale of vaccination, that is 60 crore doses or 30 crore into 2 doses in this time period, and their chain to reach it, the transportation of the vaccine through various chains to reach at the vaccination center, it's not going to be easy. So let me first ask you, what about vaccination staff?
Vaccination staff is basically our nursing staff.
Yeah, but how what kind of strength do we
They are approximately 1.5 lakhs
in the country?
in the country. But government is planning to use other paramedics like pharmacists and interns, nurses, to use to give this vaccination. Roughly, not every nurse can be giving vaccination.
Obviously, yes.
Of course. So I think it 2 lakhs or maximum 2.5 lakhs, 2.2
Yeah. So
person, and 150 persons I think would be vaccinated in one camp.
yeah, that I counted. So that's a tall order once
This is a
again.
tall order.
What it means is, a rough calculation again shows that you have to put some 30, 40 or maybe more thousand nurses for the nurses or similar staff for vaccination duty, and it will need some effort. Okay, that's one challenge certainly. About manufacturing, let's see now. I learned from somewhere that the Sputnik vaccine will, through Dr. Reddy, will have a capacity of about 10 crore vaccines in a year. So if they start, say, March, April, they would have only 3-4 months to supply for this
Yes.
drive. So that would mean 2 or 3 crores of vaccines. The other Bharat Biotech also may not be ready with more than this number, let's say. So this total would be certainly less than 10 crores. That leaves Serum Institute alone to be ready with 20 crore vaccines in this period. That again at this point looks like a tall order, because of course you and I don't have that government figure, but that also looks a tall order. All right. So, and what is the protocol now? Or let's say which is the range of people who will be vaccinated?
I would say priority.
Yeah, priority.
First, the priority would be given to persons over 60 years of age with comorbidity like cancer, diabetes, hypertension, coronary disease, renal disease,
Okay.
and health workers.
Health
Doctors,
workers.
nurses, pharmacists, and anybody who is coming in the contact of the patients. Then our armed forces and police personnel.
Okay.
And after that, other people will get the vaccines.
All right. So, I don't have the demographic figure here, but I would say that if all above 60-year age, with usually people have some comorbidity.
usually they
So these 30 crore would largely be comprised of these people only. All health workers, all security personnel, including police, and the senior citizens. So they are the ones who would be covered in this drive.
Yes.
So, although officially the government has not said so, but I find it a tall order. I would like to think that if all these 3 vaccines do stick to the time schedules we talked about, it will be very difficult to complete this exercise by August 2021. But we can all hope, these 30 crores can hope
We
that
should be optimistic in this.
in the calendar year 2021,
Yes.
this vaccination would be completed. Effectiveness.
Effectiveness is said is after 2 doses, first day and 21st day, is approximately 75%.
For after the first dose,
After both doses, 2 doses.
that's
That
rather
is
low.
75%. It is slightly low because usually what we the polio and other after booster vaccination the effectiveness is around 90%.
But the Pfizer claim is 91%, 92%.
Yes, Pfizer and Moderna, the new type of vaccine, messenger RNA, they are claiming that 90%. They are giving 90% immunity.
But this 75% is on a little
Not, at this crucial stage, I should say that this is not very bad.
Okay.
75% is acceptable, but of course it is slightly less. Because 25% people, even after vaccination, won't develop antibodies. In other words,
Okay, they won't develop, and some of them may actually get the disease.
it may actually contact the disease, yes.
Okay, all right. But okay, so it's not, let's say, the effectiveness that we would have hoped for, but still it is much better than no vaccination at all. And this Pfizer and the other one of a similar, which requires -70 degree, at this point, although the government statement is not very clear, but as far as your information goes, those vaccines would not be coming to India, or
They are planning, but I'm not sure when they will come, because there is a main problem is of money, because it's costly, and maintaining a cold chain of minus 70 degree.
minus 70 degree cold
which
chain.
is
That is very,
difficult.
that
Yes.
infrastructure requirement is actually,
Actually, yes, it is tough.
so it's possible maybe in certain cities
Yeah,
with
it is
good
possible
facility
in
they
the
may
big
still,
cities it can be given, or maybe after some time the cost may come down, or some other chemical may bring the cold chain to more temperature, say minus 20 or minus 30.
right.
These are expectations.
Thank you, Dr. Saab. So viewers, the good news is that vaccination is going to start in early 2021 by last week of January or early days of February. And the good news is, as the coronavirus is developing new strains and so on in UK and some other countries, our elderly population, our security personnel, our health workers would start getting protected against the virus from that date onwards. And in the course of next 6 to 8 to 10 months, this population should get covered and protected. As for others, there can be one good news, that by that time the virus itself may have met its demise, or if it doesn't, the vaccination for the entire population would start by the end of year 2021. I hope this information was helpful for you. We will meet you again next Thursday in Straight Drive. Thank you very much. Namaskar.